pTron Bassfest Plus Bluetooth earphones, which is majorly being used for Zoom meetings these days. इसकी एक खास बात है कि इसमें ऐसी कोई खास बात नहीं है, but as per the price or total package, you might consider it. Talking about the box, the front side is totally about the branding, and Ayushman ka bhai is the brand ambassador. दिख रहा है. And sides also have just the branding, and in the back side we have all the features listed here. The battery capacity is pretty average, that works for 6 hours, and standby time is 48 hours. And the speaker sensitivity I think is on the higher side, तो थोड़ा आवाज़ कम करके सुनना. And speaker impedance is 16 ohms, that is, it is going to generate low power, but I think that is okay for the earphones. And it comes with 1 year warranty of pTrons, and yes, it does have Bluetooth 5.0. And the MRP is mentioned as $1299, but I got it for very less. Let's do the unboxing. कहाँ गया? Wow, the color is good. What else? What else in bubble wrap? There's a stand and micro USB to USB cable. Anyway, I was not expecting USB Type-C for this price point. They have a soft neck band which can be used. And if you like it, then it does have this magnetic touch. I actually like the way they have designed the buttons. ये वीडियो गेम के रिमोट की तरह लग रहे हैं. और USB and micro USB port. ठीक है. That's it. I think that's what we get in the box. No. And user's manual. ये तो ज़रूरी है. It basically indicates the purpose of the buttons, volume up and down, and this is multifunction, can also be used as a power button. And there is also an LED indicator which is less seen in the earphones. And on the back side there is a microphone. And they have the built-in battery which is inside this. The sound quality is way better than I expected. And as the model name says, इसका bass भी बहुत strong है. And by the way, my voice is being recorded from this microphone, so you'll get an idea of the microphone also. And meanwhile watching this, a subscribe would do wonders. I have few feedback on the quality. The microphone sounds good and the speaker quality is also good. But the issue is with the speaker sensitivity, which is I think is way more. So you gotta keep your volume down because it is way too loud. It actually boils down to your requirements. The battery capacity is 110 mAh and the playback time is 6 hours. So if you are using for few hours a day, like जो बच्चों की classes हो रही है online, then it is okay. But if you are using it throughout the day, कि पूरा दिन गाने सुन रहे हो, कभी calls है, कभी meetings है, then you should think before buying it. क्योंकि भाई साहब charge करते रह जाओगे सिर्फ. And apart from that, it is almost perfect for the price point 549. और क्या मिलेगा इसमें? A good microphone, a decent speaker, and an average battery. That's perfect. And in case you wanna buy this, link description में है.